guys, it's Paul from online Sax Academy, and in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how to solo on Have You Met Miss Jones. So this is part 2 of the 2-part lesson on this song. In the previous lesson we were looking at how to play the melody. If you haven't checked out that lesson yet, you can click on the card above. It's also linked down below in the description. In today's lesson we have 3 example solos for beginners, intermediate and advanced levels over the chord sequence of Have You Met Miss Jones. The PDFs and backing tracks for these are available in the link below. Now, just like in the previous lesson, these backing tracks are at 100 BPM, 130 BPM and 160 BPM. But it's over the same set of chords. So if you'd like to play the beginner solo but faster, you can use, say, the advanced backing track, and vice versa. Say you're practicing the advanced solo but you wanted to play it a bit slower, well then you can stick on the beginner backing track. Along with this, there's a longer backing track which goes 3 times around the form, which means that you can play the melody all the way through. You can do 1 chorus of solo, either improvised or one of these written ones today, and then you can play a melody on the way out as well, which is kind of a standard structure for a jazz tune. For those of you that are studying improvising, you can have a look at these example solos and take out little phrases or ideas from them and apply them to your own solos. So for the beginner section, we're sticking mainly to the pentatonic scale and the major scale. So for alto saxophones, that's D major pentatonic, and for tenor saxophones, that's G major pentatonic. Now, because the B section changes key quite a lot, it basically stays diatonic. And all that means is we stick to the main key centres that it moves into, just the 3 major scales that it uses. Okay, so here's that example beginner improvised solo. Okay, and here's the intermediate solo, and this includes lots of little bebop phrases and some chromatic passing notes, an extra kind of harmonic interest. Okay, and here's the advanced solo. Okay, that's it for this week, guys. It was a bit of a different format in this week's lesson as I've separated the melody from the soloing. Let me know in the comments how you got on with this one, and do try combining the different sections from the different skill levels. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week.